So, Margaret, welcome and thank you. We're celebrating 4 years of Mirror Mirror.
No, thank you. Thanks for inviting me on. I can't believe it's 4 years. I think I'm still in therapy for that. That was a really, really big task,
It was.
but
So,
a satisfying one.
just so today, it arrives. The proof of Mirror Mirror. This is our first glimpse.
We've been waiting for this.
Oh
We've
my
been waiting for
God.
this for months.
It took 8 weeks to write, a year and a half to edit. Here we go. I can't wait to see it.
Oh my God.
I didn't get to the gym this morning because I'm waiting for this.
Oh no.
I like to go to the gym first thing in the morning so my day can only get better. But here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is fantastic.
Yeah, you like it?
I love it. Woo!
That was a really, really big task.
It was.
But a satisfying one.
Just a little background on this. So I said